Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to the Germanly Tuning YouTube channel. My name is Brad, and I'm about to go do some data logging after I flashed a revision. Been working on trying to just get everything dialed in after doing the 3-bar map file, and so far it's been running really good, but just some fine-tuning things here and there. So I just finished flashing, and my 2 key cycles after we flash, just to make sure everything's good with the ECU before we start her up. So we'll go out and do some logs, maybe do some 2-steps, some launches. I got the draggy going, so I might do some draggy runs and see how things are running. So let's have fun with this one. Alright, we're logging here. Let's see if we can get a good run going. Here we go. Pretty good. Pretty good. Stop the log. Just love how this car pulls in the top end. Just to get past, $5 grand, which I've said it many times, but the K24s just have an awesome top end. It pulls so hard. We're on our test track here. We got draggy hooked up. We're logging, ready to go. I adjusted 2-step a little lower in the RPM range, so we'll see how it launches with this welded diff. So let's see what we got. Nope. Not happy. Breaks them loose. I do feel something weird though on the right side. Can't tell what it is. It's got a weird vibration going on. So I'll have to check that out. I felt it right after the launch. Like the whole car kind of shook. Seems good control arm wise, so I don't know. Well, I just checked everything out underneath. Everything seems secure. Control arm bolts are tight. Everything seems good. So I don't know. Maybe it's just with the welded center diff still, just all that force going in the rear with the fronts working too. Like it may just be kind of how it is. So I don't know. I'll probably end up putting the factory torsion back in it for now, so we'll see. We still got some more stuff to do. We got to go do some draggy runs on the freeway and see how that does. So let's do that. Made it in and out. I had to make a dinner stop. Everybody's requesting. There's no one inside right now. It's probably hard to see, but completely empty parking lot. Just people on the drive-through. Package is secure. Very good to go. misfires. Very well could be misfires. Strange. You can hear it on this side. So right now the parking brake is off. It's in neutral, and we're on a bit of a decline here, and the car is not moving at all. It's completely just stuck where it's at. So if I push it, I mean, I can't even really move it. So something is binding in the drivetrain. We're gonna get it in the air here in a second and see what's up. All right, we gotta put it in gear, parking brake's off. But something's definitely dragging. So, I mean, I guess it could be a brake. I mean, something's binding up, but we'll get it in the air and check it out here in a second. I've been making, oh, see, yeah, some crazy clunking. So that's another, yeah, see, it's binding now. So we'll get it in the air. Okay, so front brakes are looking good on this side as well as this side. Spinning free, lines are good, no issues there. So I'm thinking that it's going to be something in the torsion. So I'm going to get this torsion out, the one that's welded, and we'll put it in the factory one that came out of it and see how it does. But yeah, I mean, the rear spin perfect, no issues at all. Spins fine. I got the good old drivetrain slop in here, so I think this diff's about had it. 280K, just a lot for it. Oh yeah, we need a CV boot, so we'll do that eventually too. I'm gonna do a few things on the old girl. So I just pulled the flange housing. I'm gonna pull the torsion out of here right now. All right, there we go. I'm looking in there. Kind of dark, we'll get some light, check it out. Not looking too bad in there. Things are all right. There's a little bit of metal shavings coming down here, but not like anything crazy, I don't think. So, flange looks fine, splines look good, so I don't think there's anything going on there. It could just be the front diff maybe, but let's put the factory torsion back in it, see how it does. Quick side by side here. We got the non-welded and the welded. These gears move freely, which is good. Bearing's good. This one's got a little side-to-side play, but this one's actually really good. So let's toss this one in. It's very important to make sure you add fluid, so we're going to add it here at the fill plug next to the driver's side drive flange here. If you don't, your torsion will be dry and you'll have major issues. So usually about a quart you can add, about a quart to probably about a quart to the system, to the trans there, to get it to the proper level. And it does fill from here and then actually goes all the way into here, so it takes a little bit. You want to take your time, make sure you fill it right, and be good to go. Now we're back in business. Non-welded torsion has been installed. garbage olive clamp has been tightened back up, which I hate these olive clamps. They're just horrible. It's just what I have to deal with until I upgrade these downpipes to the newer style or some different ones. But let's go out and drive it, see how it does. Yeah, right off the bat, I can already tell it's driving better. It doesn't have that crazy clunk and shudder anymore. You can actually make a turn and it does what it's supposed to. Oh yeah. Pulls awesome. Hell yeah, that's great. I'm stoked.